Welcome back. Today we're making a seafood curry. Well, the ultimate seafood curry. It's like a Cajun seafood boil, but with some coconut curry flavors. The full list of ingredients are on the screen, but we're going to talk about them a little bit more. Seafood boil prep.
There.
What is this? Scallions? No. Shallots? No.
Scallops.
Scallops and squid.
Yes.
You're putting squid in there too? Kielbasa, corn, lobster tail,
Don't go in there. We'll go get
mussels, muzzle, whatever. Little potatoes pre-cooked. Damn. And the crab legs are inside. I know this looks like a lot of seasonings, but the most important ones are listed on the screen. Just a little bit of butter. Yes, I did. Start with a dry pan and then throw in your butter. We have 8 sticks of butter here. Oh, and I should probably say that this recipe is probably not for everyone. But if you can handle all the ingredients and a food coma, I think you'll like this. And you're gonna just stir it around and let it melt. We were a little eager and we didn't let the butter melt all the way, so we added our bruised lemongrass, ginger, and makrut lime leaves, as well as enough fresh minced garlic to feed a generation. Now if you want extra depth of flavor, let the garlic turn brown. Once the butter is melted and the aromatics are aromaticking, you're going to add in the curry paste. If you want a stronger curry flavor, add in 2 of the curry pastes. Makes the sauce redder and tastier. Next, you're going to add 3 blocks of palm sugar. You can substitute this for brown sugar or regular cane sugar. Now stir and mix it well and make sure the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, we're going to add our raw ingredients. I'm going to start with the largest raw ingredient, which are the lobster tails. Then I'm going to add the crawfish and the shrimp. To be honest, the crawfish is already pre-cooked, so we didn't need to add it at this time. Probably should have added it later. The good thing about adding it now is that it has time to soak in all of that flavor and you can really taste it afterwards. So you're going to cook it just until the shrimp are halfway cooked. Add in the remaining spices and the chicken bouillon. Now if you don't have all of these spices in your cupboard, the most important one is the Cajun seasoning or the Old Bay seasoning. Now we're going to add the scallops, squid, and the mussels. And if you're wondering why we don't just throw all the seafood in at the same time, it's because of the time it takes to cook the ingredients. It's like a game of timing. You're trying to line up the cook time of each ingredient so that they all finish cooking at the same time when the dish is ready. Anyway, the pre-cooked ingredients are added last. The only exception are the potatoes because we are still mixing the pot. We don't want the potatoes to turn into mash. A little note on how often we're stirring. We're going to stir it occasionally, so every minute or so. This allows the ingredients at the bottom of the pot to soak and cook in that curry mixture. So I like to throw in the coconut milk about 5 to 10 minutes before all the ingredients are fully cooked. I found that if you cook coconut milk for a long time, it loses its creaminess. Once everything is cooked, you're going to add in your potatoes and then mix that in. The potatoes are pre-cooked, they don't need to be cooked anymore, so we are just going to gently mix them into the pot.
Okay.
Now that everything is cooked and the potatoes are warm, turn off the stove, add the basil and green onions to the pot and mix it in.
Alright, with that, now we need the trays. One of these bowls.
So that's the seafood curry recipe that we love to make at home. Every time we go out to eat, we always compare it to this recipe and nothing has beaten this one yet. Anyway, if you like this, please like and subscribe for more recipes like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.